letter.
R for water. The R.
R.
After R. Math. After math. E letter. After math. L. O. Y there. After L. Watermelon. O. N. Can you read? What? Oh, read it. It is watermelon become. If you do M, it's watermelon. We need watermelon.
Watermelon.
What? Sir?
Water.
Where's the? What?
What?
Watermelon. One more time.
Water.
Where's the?
Water.
Ma. Where's ma? M letter. Ma. La. Len.
La.
Watermelon. Whale eats watermelon. What? Whale eats watermelon. What? It's hungry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Can you do?
1, 2. Oh, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3,
Good job.
4.
Well done. Woohoo.
C.
Perfect. Watermelon.
C.
Good job. Look at this. Whale is eating. Can you share your watermelon with the whale?
Yum, 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 yum.
Thank you.
Ma.
Where's Ma? Ma's here.
What? Ma.
La.
Len.
Len. Yes, one more time.
Ma. No.
Good job. Can you clap? Watermelon. Clap your hands.
Watermelon.
How many? Watermelon. Watermelon. 4. Try again.
2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can you read one more time?
1.
No, reading. 1. What? Ma.
Ma.
Where's Ma?
Watermelon.
Good job. One more time. Make it better. Oh, try again. Almost good. Go. Try again. Down and up. Perfect. Watermelon. Whale is eating watermelon. Perfect. Try more. 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. Good job.